How much are you willing to pay for your microphone? How about $3? Today we'll be reviewing Havit M80 microphone which cost only $3. Yes, you heard that right, just $3 or maybe less. In this video we will see the unboxing, audio test and post-processing in Adobe Audition. I'll record the audio of this entire video with this Havit M80 microphone so that you have a clear idea about the sound quality. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the Havit HV-M80 microphone. First we will do the unboxing, and this is gonna be the shortest unboxing in human history. In the back side you will see the features and specifications. Okay, let's just open it. In the box you will get the microphone and, well, just the microphone and a warranty card. So this is the microphone. You have a nice long stand. The cable is 1.5 meter long and you will get a 3.5 millimeter jack. So this was the unboxing. Okay, now let's check the audio quality. First we will test it by plugging the 3.5 millimeter jack directly to my computer, and then we will test it on my smartphone. I think it doesn't make any sense using any expensive audio interface. When you buy a $3 mic, you will probably use it directly to your laptop or a smartphone or camera. Okay, let's restart it.
Now I have the microphone connected to my computer, and this is how the microphone sounds. Now I have the microphone connected to my computer, and this is how the microphone sounds. Now I have the microphone connected to my computer, and this is how the microphone sounds. Now I have the microphone connected to my Xiaomi Mi A2, and this is how the microphone sounds.
Okay, now you have a pretty good idea about the audio quality. Of course, you will get better quality if you use audio interface. Now we are in Adobe Audition. We will try to make it sound better. So here we have the audio file. Double click here to open it. The first thing we need to do is to reduce the noise. Right now all these purple looking stuffs you see are noises. Make sure you turn on the spectral frequency display to see the noise. One more thing, when you hit the record button, don't start talking just after hitting the record button. Wait 2 or 3 seconds and then talk. This way it gives a space to capture the noise. Here you can see I start talking after 2 seconds, giving me a chance to capture the noise at the beginning. Okay, first play the audio one more time.
Now I have the microphone connected to my computer, and this is how the microphone sounds.
First select the noise area. Don't select something that includes my voice. Now go to Effects, Capture Noise Print. Just hit OK. Select everything by pressing Ctrl or Command plus A. Now go to Effects, Noise Reduction Process. Make sure Default is selected. If you see this message, just hit Cancel and do it again. Select the noise area. Go to Effects, Capture Noise Print. Select everything and then again go to Effects, Noise Reduction Process. Now you can see default is selected. Keep the noise reduction as high as possible and decrease the spectral decay rate to 0. If you click this icon, you can see the before and after. See, all those purple noises are almost gone. Now hit Apply. Let's play it and check the audio quality.
Now I have the microphone connected to my computer, and this is how the microphone sounds.
It would be better if you use a headphone in post-processing so that you can clearly hear everything. Okay, now go to Effects, Filter and EQ, Parametric Equalizer. You just need to select the preset Loudness Maximizer. Now go to Effects, Amplitude and Compression, then select Normalize Process. You can choose 98.8. Let's check what it did.
Now I have the microphone connected to my computer.
That's loud, right? Okay, next go to Effects, Amplitude and Compression, and then select Dynamic Processing. I will select a preset called Smooth Vocal. Feel free to select different presets. You can also check the live preview by turning on or off this button. It really helps when you're confused what to select. You can check the before and after here by pressing this button.
Now I have the microphone connected to my computer and this is how the microphone sounds.
Next, I would like to convert it to a stereo, and I can do that from Favorite, Convert to a Stereo. Finally, go to Effects, Amplitude and Compression, Normalize Process. 98.8 is selected and that's okay. Let's play.
Now I have the microphone connected to my computer and this is how the microphone sounds.
As you can see, all those effects brought back some noises. We can reduce it from Favorites, Denoise.
Now I have the microphone connected to my computer and this is how the microphone sounds.
That is amazing. But if you notice the audio meter, we went to the red zone.
Now I have the microphone connected to my computer and this is how the
To limit that, just go to Effects, Amplitude and Compression, Dynamic Processing. We can select Broadcast Limiter from the preset menu. This will limit our audio.
Now I have the microphone connected to my computer and this is how the microphone sounds.
For the final touch, I will go to Effects, Time and Pitch, Pitch Shifter. This is not necessary and you need not to do it, but I'll do it anyway to make my voice a little deeper. In semitones, if we select something like -5, it will totally destroy your voice.
Now I have the microphone connected to my computer.
It's kinda funny though. But what you can do is to move the lower bar to -50 to 60. This will sound somewhere realistic.
Now I have the microphone connected to my computer and this is how the microphone.
So this is how you can make your audio quality better.
Now I have the microphone connected to my computer and this is how the microphone sounds. Now I have the microphone connected to my computer and this is how the microphone sounds.
I know this isn't perfect. If you listen to my voice using a headphone, you will notice my voice breaks sometimes. This happens when I move the mic too close to my mouth. But anyway, for $3, is it good or bad? Well, you decide that. Write down what you think about this microphone in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please like and hit the big red subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the ring button so that you don't miss any new tutorials or videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.